What really happened with the global IT outage on July 19, 2024? Millions of travelers were left stranded, transactions halted, and critical services disrupted. The culprit? A faulty software update from cybersecurity firm CrowdStrike. Due to an oversight when implementing a regular update, millions of PCs were left with the notorious blue screen of death. This outage affected everything from airlines and banks to media companies and hospitals, serving as a stark reminder of the vulnerability of our interconnected digital world. As we rely more and more on technology, we need to prepare for potential outages, including to critical infrastructure like the U.S. power grid. Widespread outages do happen, and experts have been warning about the strained U.S. power grid for years. BatteryEvo can help you prepare for these outages by providing reliable backup power solutions, ensuring that your home or business remains powered during unforeseen disruptions. The July 19th outage was a wake-up call, reminding us to stay vigilant, informed, and safe. So whether you go with BatteryEvo or not, consider backing up your home's power to protect yourself and your family from future outages.